We have a fascinating perennial in bloom here on the east side of our barn, and this is the pineapple lily. It's called pineapple lily because the flowering structure kind of looks like a pineapple. You get a little tuft of leaves here on the top, and this plant is a special pineapple lily because it has burgundy in the scapes of the flowering structure, and also the leaves have a little bit of a burgundy color to those. When the plant first comes out of the ground in the spring, the burgundy color is very, very dark. It's very attractive. Well, we've had this plant at our studio garden for about 3.5 years, and when we first got it, I read some literature on it, and it said it was hardy to zone 8 or 9, and here in Oklahoma, we have USDA zones 6 and 7, so that would be too cold for this plant if that were true. So I kept the plant in a container outdoors in the summertime, and I brought it into the greenhouse in the winter. But the plant never bloomed for us. So last year we had it in the ground, and a friend of mine said, hey, that should be hardy for you. You should just leave it in the ground over winter. And since the plant hadn't bloomed for us previously, we left it in the ground over winter, and it overwintered quite well. And it actually bloomed this year, so I think we finally figured it out. And since then, I've read other literature that says the plant is hardy to zone 6. So it's a perennial you might want to try in your own gardens. It does take a lot of water, and it's best if it's planted in a very rich soil. And also, I would give it a little bit of protection up against a building maybe, as long as it had full sun.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.